Hey friends, if you wish to add live wallpaper in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, there is no such setting in Windows, so here's what you can do. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Now, search for live wallpaper and hit enter. You will notice a lot of applications here. You can select any one of them. I feel this one, Lively Wallpaper, is good. So click on install for this one, or you can choose according to your requirements, but I prefer this one. It is well rated. We'll wait till it is installed on the system. Now once it is installed, click on open. It will need a while to load. Once it has opened, you can click on the option for lively wallpaper, and then you can check it here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.